Pick me up, dust me off, give me breath, let me cough. Take me back, collect my thoughts, I sit back to the left of us. But don't, I'm welcome back to town. Sometimes I feel like they don't understand me. I hear their mouths making foreign sounds. Sometimes
We've got a great game in prospect here. Both teams will be desperate for a win today.
Indeed, and I'm really looking forward to seeing top players playing with other good footballers. That's what they want to be part of out there.
His manager's urging him to clear his lines, but he's not listening, is he? This is dangerous. Needs the perfect strike off the upright. Oh, caught in possession. Trying for the spectacular. Goalkeeper just clearing his lines. Pugh. Rodwell. Busy run. This is a chance.
Must try and make that goalkeeper save it. That's unlucky, though. It's not a bad effort.
Kone. They've stolen the ball back. They certainly know what they're doing back there. Kone. Closing in on goal. Big chance. Oh, kick that out!
He hasn't leant back right. He's kept his head over the ball, and he has fired that past the keeper.
They do say you're at your most vulnerable when you've just taken the lead. They've got to concentrate here. Now, can he get past him? Has to score. Didn't hold it. Now, can they get something from this corner? Buffon. A speculative. Rattle the bar. Coolly taken. Guided into the bottom corner. Had to be goals in this one. It's now 2-0. Really have given them no room to breathe in midfield. Now can he go through himself? The first half is over. The players head for the dressing rooms. Scores 2-0.
Well, I've been very impressed with that performance. They've created chances and they've taken them. They deserve to be in front.
No need to panic, easily away. That's great one-touch football. Good cover back there. That's another fine tackle. Kone. Buffon. Gives it and gets it back. They really do defend in depth, don't they? Good defending. Now, can he get at them? Kone. Neatly on. Look at this. They've not picked him up. He's in on goal.
Excellent stuff. Technically got it right and held on to it.
Goalkeeper clears his lines. Got to that well. There's a threat here. Buffon. Kone. Rodwell. Yes, good work for the defender. Kone. Awfully long way out. He scored! Manager looking to freshen things up here. He's bringing on not one but two substitutes. Adam. He stretched them here. Defenders in charge just at the moment. He can't resist. The shot blocked. What a chance! Oh, might still fall to them. Good shot. They got it!
That's a real goal scorer's finish. He's got himself in a good area. Watch that come back off the bar and buried it.
It's just one of those days for the keeper. They all have them. Hello everyone, I'm Clyde Tills. It's my pleasure to welcome you. Former Irish World Cup captain Andy Townsend's with me.
let's get this one started, Clive. I can't wait here today.
Just wide of the target.
Well, I don't mind that. You don't mind him having a pop now and again. That's not a bad effort.
Defended well. Oh, he got away with that. Kone. Rodwell. Kone. And here's a real chance. Scores! Oh, yes! And hasn't that gone down well here? They lead 1-0. Well, that's the start they were hoping for. A goal in 10 minutes. They do use the ball well. Couldn't keep it. Only the keeper in his way. Real chance. Failed to hit the target.
Oh, he got carried away. He just got a bit excited. He didn't hit the target.
Rodwell. Not going to find a way through like that. Good tackle. He can get forward himself now. Lost the ball out wide. He's having a go. It wasn't easy there. The ball was upon him before he knew it. No time, really. Rodwell. Adam. Looking to open them up. Good tackle. Now he's in a good position. Not going to break them down like that. Can he finish? Could be in here. It's a goal! Game was always likely to produce goals. It's 2-0. It's well cut out. Kone. He's in. Clipped the upright. How close was that? Got to that well. Oh, he's in the clear. He's got away. Good chance. Hit the upright. Half time, and the score is 2-0.
Well, they're bossing it. It's as simple as that. And if they continue in this fashion, they'll win this game handsomely.
Good contest that out wide. He's got a chance here.
Unlucky. You've got to be prepared to have a go if you want to score goals.
If they keep playing like this, they'll soon build on that lead. Thought he'd never go from way out. He got that totally wrong. Gets it away. Not too many better headers of a ball, you know. Must score, surely. Got to it somehow.
That's brilliant work. That really has got himself in exactly the right spot to make that save.
The corner wasted. Whichever way you look at it, that's fine defending. Got it well. Space ahead of him down that wing. Buffon. Trying to use the space out wide. Needs a good ball in. Swung in. Catching practice for the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper clear. Song. Adam. Delightful pass. Kone. Only his best will do. Good disciplined defending. Using the ball well here. He's got a chance here. Good combination. Kone. Ufra. Adam. They've set him up here. Wasn't about to let him pass. And there's the whistle for the end of the game. And they have an advantage going into the next leg.